I want to tell you what I consider a very interesting story by one of the greats. I'm not one of the greats of trading. He's one of the greats of trading. His name is Richard Dennis. He's already been mentioned once tonight, and now he's going to get another mention. But it's not what he says, but it's what people say about him. You see, Richard Dennis, he was a soybean pit trader. And they say about him that while everyone else was engaged in reading the crop reports by the U.S. Agricultural Commission, Richard Dennis instead, he said, I don't care about what the crop reports are going to be. You see, you are far more likely to find him with a publication on the death instinct, or eros and thanatos, than you would about whether the crop reports were going to be good or bad. Because Richard Dennis realized that once the news is out, the news is out. But how you react afterwards will make the humongous difference between you being a winning trader and a losing trader. Now, I say it, and you think, yeah, there's that Dane who's coming over here, blah, 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 blah. He's giving it the old lippy. But when one of the best traders in the world says it, perhaps then it has a little bit of validity. Maybe then you'll sit up and pay attention, because these are not my words. These are the words of one of the all-time legends of trading. He says, a little bit less technical analysis and a little bit more introspection in what the hell is going on in your mind. And it doesn't matter, as I said before, whether you're trading a 5-minute chart or if you are an investor. If you have bought onto a stock which is a runner, why contemplate where you're going to get out? Why not add a little bit to the position? Why not make the position a little bit bigger?